Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make birthday video on a CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps, and after this, in here you just click on the template at the bottom, this one. And after this, in here at the top, you can click on the search box icon, this one. Click on it. And then in here you can search a birthday, this one. And then in here you can see birthday template for a CapCut apps. You can choose the template that you want. In here I want to try to this one, so you just click on it. And after this, in here you just click on the use template at the bottom. And in here you can use in here you can use three videos, so you just click on the videos that you want to add. You can you can add the video or the picture, but in here I want to use video, so you just click on the video on this one, and you can choose the video that you want to add. Maybe this one, and one more, this one. And after this, in here you just click on the next at the bottom. Okay, and then this is the previous video. Okay, now you can export the video, so you just click on the export at the top. Click on it. In here you can choose export without watermark with a TikTok apps, or you can export with watermark with watermark CapCut apps. So that's how to make a birthday video on a CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.